Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I want to actually show you guys how to wrap a vase using ribbon. So I got the vase, of course, from Dollar Tree, and ribbon actually got from Dollar Tree as well. So with this, you can use different colors. I used pink because it just matched my colors of my last party that I had. It's really quick and easy to do, and this was my first time actually doing it, and it actually came out pretty nice. So I did use this Dollar Tree vase, but I also got a few other larger vases from Michaels that I wrapped as well. I just bought longer and wider ribbon. But for the purpose of this video, I'll show you what I did. So to get started, let me just untie it so I can actually show you how I actually did it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to take your roll of ribbon and kind of like just do like a mock wraparound just to kind of get the length. So I'm just crossing around and crisscrossing around, and then I have this much left. So it might be a little too much, but it's okay. You can cut the ribbon later on, but you do need the ribbon length kind of long to achieve this effect. So first thing you want to do is, once you cut your ribbon to the length that you want, match up the ends so that it's even on the ends. So once you have the middle part right here, you're going to, I'm trying to do this backwards, so kind of bear with me. So I'm taking it from the back of my vase, and then you are going to twist and pull. So then you're going to just go around the back of the vase, do the same thing. Once you have it together, you're going to twist and just keep going, trying to keep it tight as you go. It would be better if you got double face ribbon. I mean, for me, it doesn't really matter, but that way it will be sticky on both sides no matter which way that you actually have the ribbon showing. But if you can, double face ribbon would be better. So I got my other one here, and I'm trying to match them to kind of make sure the little knots are even. So I did that one. Go back around the back and twist. Bring it back to the front and twist. And then take it around the back and twist. And then bring it back to the front. And here is where I'm going to actually just make a bow. So I don't have scissors in front of me, but make sure your bow is even. And then if I had my scissors, I will just cut this little extra piece off to match this piece. And there you have it. So I'll probably take a little practice in trying to get the little knots to all be, lined up. But for the most part, I think it came out pretty cute. And it's very cheap to do, and you have a variety of colors. What I did was I put water in here with some pink rose petals, and then I actually have these little the candles that you just drop that float. So it came out really nice. All right, guys, I thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and I will talk to you in the next video. Take care.